Hello students, welcome back to my channel Essential English with Ridvan. This is the exercise number 15 of the lesson 15, A1-A2 level. In the previous lesson we have learned about present perfect tense, and that's why today's exercises are related to this topic. So let's practice what you've learned. Look at the picture, what has happened, choose from the box. Okay, you see here in the picture dirty shoes, and he has cleaned them and they are clean right now. And we have to use here present perfect. What's the present perfect? Present perfect, it links and connects the present and the past. Okay, shows an action in the past, has a result, shows an action in the past, has a result in the present. Okay, has an effect in the present. And we have to choose here not he cleaned his shoes, it's just past simple. He cleaned his shoes 2 days ago, but we have to show the result in today, the result now, the result in present. Okay, and that's why we have to use present perfect. And he has cleaned his shoes. Okay, he has cleaned his shoes. That means in present perfect. And now the result, they are clean. You see in the picture, they are clean. Okay, you see a woman open a door and close. And again we have to use here present perfect. What we have to say? She's closing the door. Okay, she has closed the door. You see here, she has closed the door. She has closed the door. Closed, also it's a regular verb, that's why we have to add only ed, and that's it. And the next one, you see here two old people watching TV, and we have to use in the present perfect what they doing. Okay, and you see here they're watching TV and they are sleeping right now. And that does mean, what does it mean? That means they already have gone to bed. Okay, and that's why we have to use here they have. With they we use have. They have gone to bed. And we don't have here time. They have gone to bed 5 minutes ago, an hour ago. We don't say that. They've gone to bed. The most important thing here, they are in bed now. Okay, they have gone to bed, that means they are in bed now, and that's it. We don't need when they did to bed 5 minutes ago, 1 hour ago. It doesn't matter. What's matter? They have gone to bed, and that's it. Okay, and the next one, you see it's raining and it's shining, and that's why what do we use here? What we use here, of course, again present perfect. And there was raining and is shining right now. That means raining is stopped. Okay, and in the present perfect we can say it's stopped raining. It doesn't rain. Okay, it stopped. It has stopped raining. Okay, it has stopped raining, and that's it in present perfect, because the result, it's shining, it's not raining anymore. Okay, that's why we have to use present perfect. It's finished. You see, she's having shower and she already doesn't have a shower. Okay, and it's changed. And that's why what we have to use here, she's had a shower, and that's it. The result, in the past she had a shower, okay? In the present, the result, she's clean now. She's had, he has, maybe she has had a shower. Okay, and that's it. And the last one, we're talking about a room. You see here, room is not clean, is clean, and you see a picture fall down. And what we say, the picture has fallen down, and that's it. It has fallen down, the result. We don't need when it fall down, maybe 5 minutes ago. No, the result. It's there or not. And in that picture, the picture, you see, has fallen from the wall, okay? Has fallen down. And it's the result. Present perfect. Why do we need present perfect? It links and connects the present and the past, okay? Shows an action in the past has a result in the present, okay? If something has a result in the present but happened in the past, it's present perfect. Let's look at another exercise, and you see here, complete the sentences. My keys. I don't know where they are. Okay, and what we should put here? My keys. I don't know where they are. I don't know. It's he lost his keys, but right now, he doesn't know where it is. Okay, he didn't find yet, and that's why we have to use present perfect. If I said I lost my keys on Monday, okay, it's past simple. But if I say without time, I lost my keys, then definitely we have to use present perfect. I've lost my keys. I don't know where they are. It's definitely present perfect. And the next one, you see here, I blank some new shoes. Do you want to see them? And here, she bought a new shoes, okay? And we would like to say, what to say? I bought some new shoes, or I've bought some new shoes. Of course, do you want to see them? That means I've already have it. I own it, and that's why I've bought some new shoes. Do you want to see them? That's it. It's not very difficult. Where's Ellen? She's not here. She blank out. She went out. She's gone out. What do you think? She's not here. You see, she's not here. It's the result. She's not here. That means she's gone out. It's present perfect. She's gone out. That means she has. Okay, she's gone out. The next one. I'm looking for Paula. You, her. Did you see her, or have you seen her? Did you see her? That means when did you see her? 10 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, 2 hours ago. But she's saying, I am looking for Paula right now. And you have you seen her? Have you seen? It refers about present, because right now, have you seen her? Have you seen her 5 minutes ago? We cannot say like that. We can say, did you see her 10 minutes ago? Yes, it's true. Look, somebody blank that window, and somebody has opened for example, or has broken or broke. If we say somebody broke that window 2 days ago, 5 minutes ago, it's true. But we say about window and we don't say about nothing. We say nothing about time. We have to use present perfect. Somebody has broken window, okay? Why broken? Because brick broke, broken. You see? Brick broke, broken. You have to learn them by heart. And the next one. Does Lisa know that you are going away? Yes, I blank her. I told her or I've told her. If I say I told her 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. But if we are talking about no time, we have to use present perfect. I've told her. Okay, does Lisa know that you are going away? Yes, I've told her. The next one. I can't find my umbrella. Somebody blank it. Somebody took. Okay, somebody took it 2 days ago. It's true, but I can't find my umbrella. There's no any umbrella right now. Okay, that means I don't have it anymore. That's why it has broken. It's true now. For now, it's also true. I don't have an umbrella. It has stolen. Okay, somebody has taken it. Okay. Somebody has taken it. Somebody has stolen it. That's why I don't have it. Where my laptop? I don't know. I blank it. Where my laptop? I don't know. I don't have any idea that where is your laptop right now. And that's why I haven't seen it. I didn't see that 2 days or maybe since Monday. Yes, of course, it's past simple. But here we don't mention any time, okay? No time. That's why I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it. It's pretty easy. That was the end of our today's lesson exercises. Good job, guys. Be sure to check out my other videos in order to repeat the other English rules or learn some new ones. Enjoy learning English, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button if you didn't do that already so you don't miss out on future content. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.